El Señor espera que nosotros, los hijos de Dios,
The Lord awaits at us, the children of God,
que nos esforcemos.
that we place effort.
El Señor se lo dijo a su siervo Josué:
The Lord told his servant Joseph,
esfuérzate y sé valiente,
put effort and be brave,
porque hacia donde vamos
because where we are heading,
hay que ser valiente.
we have to be brave.
Así que dile al Señor: Señor,
So say this to the Lord, Lord,
háblame.
speak to me.
Pon en mi corazón el deseo ardiente
Place in my heart the burning desire
de seguir adelante
to continue moving forward
y no detenerme,
and not stop,
sino tener más y más hambre de ti,
if not have even more hunger of you,
más hambre de ti,
more hunger from you.
en el nombre de Jesús.
In the name of Jesus.
Cuando estudiamos la palabra del Señor,
When we study the word of the Lord,
vamos a encontrar historias tremendas.
we will find tremendous stories.
Hombres y mujeres de Dios
Men and women from God,
que se pusieron en medio, pusieron sus vidas en medio por Dios.
that they placed their life in the middle because of God.
No importando si venía la muerte para ellos.
It didn't matter if death was coming upon them.
Ellos decidieron,
They took the decision
por amor a Dios,
for the love to God
ponerse en medio de la situación.
to place themselves in the middle of the situation.
Obedecer a Dios sobre todas las cosas.
They chose to be obedient above everything to the Lord.
Y eso hizo que Dios los pusiera en gracia.
And that made them be in the grace of the Lord.
Eso hizo que Dios les diera favor.
And that made the Lord give them favor.
Porque
favor them.
cuando Dios te manda,
Because when God places an order,
Él te respalda.
He backs you up.
Si Él te dice ve,
If He calls upon you and tells you go on,
es porque Él va delante de ti.
it's because He's going to go forward with you.
Si te dice no temas,
If He tells you do not fear,
yo estaré contigo
it's because He's going to walk by your side and be right there with
y
you.
no te va a dejar.
And He's not going to let you go.
Esa es una verdad y punto.
That is a truth and that is it, a fact.
Y así
That
que,
is it.
así que nosotros tenemos que caminar con el Señor.
So that is why we have to walk with the Lord.
Tenemos que caminar de esa forma creyéndole.
We have to walk in such way believing in Him.
Porque cuando Dios tiene un propósito con tu vida,
Because when God has a purpose with your life,
que yo sé que Él tiene un propósito con todos nosotros,
because I know He has a purpose with each and every one of us,
el Señor te va a llevar por un camino.
He's going to take you and lead you through a path.
Y Él espera que tú seas obediente y valiente.
And He awaits for you to be strong and brave and obedient.
Muchas veces te he dicho, es porque ya Él te ha dado todo lo que necesitas.
And several times I have told you guys repeatedly is because He has given you and granted you everything you need.
En el libro de Nehemías 2,
In the book
búscalo ahí,
of...
mi amor, en inglés, que yo no se lo envío a ella. Nehemías 2,
You sent it to me?
no,
Oh,
Nehemías.
Nehemiah 2.
Desde el primer versículo, yo lo leo y lo voy a leer hasta el versículo 3. I'm going to read it all the way to verse 3. Nehemiah 2. Dice, sucedió en el mes de Nisan, en el año 20 del rey Artajerjes, que estando ya el... que estando ya el vino delante de él, tomé el vino y lo serví al rey. Yo creo que ya
Yeah,
la
I have
tengo.
it. Yeah, it's this one, right?
Yeah.
Nehemiah 2. Yes, you got it.
Okay.
Okay. Dice, versículo 2, me dijo el rey, ¿por qué estás triste de tu rostro? Pues no estás enfermo. No es esto sino quebranto de corazón. Entonces temí en gran manera. Ese es Nehemías.
Mm-hmm.
Y dije al rey, para siempre viva el rey. ¿Cómo no estaré triste mi rostro? No estará triste mi rostro cuando la ciudad, casa de los sepulcros de mis padres, está desierta y sus puertas consumidas por el fuego.
Okay. In the month of Nisan, in the 20th year of King Artaxerxes, when wine was brought for him, I took the wine and gave it to the king. I had not been sad in his presence before. So the king asked me, why does your face look so sad when you're not ill? This can be nothing but sadness of your heart. I was very much afraid, but I said to the king, "May the king live forever. Why should my face not look sad when the city where my ancestors are buried lies in ruins, and its gates have been destroyed by fire?"
Este pedazo de la historia de Nehemías
This part of the story of Nehemiah,
parece sencillo,
it seems very simple,
pero no, lo que estaba haciendo Nehemías aquí
but no, what Nehemiah was referring to right here,
era algo que le podía costar la vida.
it was something that could been taken, his life could have been taken.
Él era el copero, el que llevaba el vino del rey.
He was the servant. He was the one that would serve the wine to the king.
Y nadie se podía acercar al rey
And no one could come close to the king
con tristeza.
with sadness.
A mí no me gusta andar con gente negativa.
I myself do not like to be surrounded by negative people.
Y si yo fuera rey,
And if I was a king,
que no entre delante de mí tampoco.
that they wouldn't come before me either.
Pero en esos tiempos, delante del rey,
However, in those times before the king,
más vale que vinieras contento.
it was very much worth to your life that you arrived with a smile and come joyful.
Especialmente el que iba a traer el vino.
Especially the one that was arriving and bringing the wine.
Porque si él venía triste con el vino del rey,
Because if he was coming to serve the wine of the king,
el rey puede pensar que ese vino está envenenado.
the king could have thought that that wine was poisoned.
Porque el copero tiene que probar el vino antes de darle al rey.
Because the servant had to taste the wine before it was served to the king.
¿Sabes por qué, verdad?
You guys know why, right?
Porque si cae muerto,
Because if he fell dead on, right there on the spot,
sabe que entonces el vino está contaminado.
then he would know that the wine was contaminated and poisoned.
Y él estaba entrando con una cara de tristeza.
And he could see him that he was arriving with a face of sadness.
Pero él estaba entrando triste.
But he wasn't arriving sad.
Él estaba entrando triste,
Oh, he was arriving sad.
esperanzado
He was hopeful.
de que el rey entendiera lo que él quería
He
hacer,
was hopeful that the king would understand what he wanted to do.
pero poniendo su vida en medio.
However, he was placing his life in the middle of this.
Porque él sabía lo que estaba sucediendo con las murallas de Israel.
Because he was aware of what was happening with the walls in Israel.
Él sabía que todo estaba derrumbado
He knew that everything had collapsed.
y le traía tristeza.
And it would bring him sadness.
Pero ¿qué hizo Dios con él?
What did God do with him?
Dios lo puso en favor y gracia.
God gave him favor and grace, placed him in favor and grace.
Y el rey le preguntó
And the king asked him,
y él le explicó lo que sucedía con su pueblo.
and he was able to explain to him what happened to his people.
Mi predicación no es sobre esta historia,
My preaching today is not about this story alone.
sino acerca de la valentía
It is taken the bravery
y el hambre que tenía Nehemías
and the hunger that Nehemiah had
por hacer las cosas para Dios.
to achieve things for the Lord.
Le sucedió a la reina Esther también.
It happened to Queen Esther as well.
La reina Esther tuvo que hacer algo peligroso,
Esther had to do something very dangerous,
que era también acercarse al rey,
that it also was to come close to the king,
fuera de tiempo,
outside of her time and turn,
y le podía costar la vida.
and it could cost her life.
Pero también lo hizo por su pueblo,
But she also did it for her people.
también lo hizo por el hambre que tenía por la casa de Dios.
She also did it because of the hunger that she had for the house of the Lord.
Tuvo que tomar una decisión en su vida
She had to take a decision within her life
para poder ir al otro paso que le tocaba.
so she could move the next step forward that she had to take.
Si Dios te puso cerca del rey
If God placed you near the king
y tú eres una persona que te puedes acercar al rey,
and you're a person that come close to the king,
tú puedes estar seguro
you can rest assured
que algún día Dios te va a usar.
that one day God will use you.
Nehemías
Nehemiah
se acercaba al rey.
would come close to the king.
Esther era la reina,
Esther was the queen.
o sea que tenía acceso al rey.
She had access to the king,
pero tenía que hacerlo de cierta forma,
but she had to do it within a certain way,
no como ella quería.
not just as she pleased.
Pero Dios a ambos los puso en gracia.
However, God placed them both in each one of them in grace.
Para Dios el deseo y la esperanza que nosotros tenemos en servirle a Él
For God, the hope and the desire that we have to serve Him
es bien importante,
is of such importance
que mueve la mano de Dios a tu favor y a mi favor
that His hand will move in your favor and my favor,
y nos pone en gracia.
and He places us in grace.
Pero hay un enemigo de tener hambre por Dios.
But there is always the enemy that stops us from being hungry for the Lord.
Tanto Nehemías como Esther, que estaban en unas posiciones importantes,
Nehemiah and Esther that were in important positions,
ellos fácilmente podían decir,
they easily could have said,
yo estoy cómodo aquí.
I am comfortable here.
Yo, ¿para qué ponerme en peligro
Why would I get myself and place myself in danger
si yo estoy cómodo aquí?
if I'm just comfortable here just the way it is?
Que se resuelvan ellos.
Let them solve the problems.
Ellos pudieron haberse puesto en esa posición.
They could have just taken that position and just stand still.
Yo le sigo sirviendo el vino al rey,
I would continue serving the wine to the king.
que otro se encargue de las murallas y del templo allá en Jerusalén.
Let somebody else worry about the walls and the gates back there in Jerusalem.
Y Esther pudo haber dicho
And Esther could have just said
lo mismo,
the same thing.
que el pueblo allá lejos se resuelva.
Let the people over there solve it by themselves.
Yo estoy tranquilita, yo soy la reina.
I'm super calm. I'm just the queen here.
Cuando el rey me necesita,
When the king needs me,
ahí estoy yo.
that's where I will be.
Yo tengo todo lo que necesito.
I have everything that I need.
Ese es el peor enemigo.
That there is the worst enemy speaking against you.
El peor enemigo de tener hambre por las cosas de Dios.
And it is the worst enemy to have you stopping your hunger from being hungry for the things of the Lord.
La comodidad.
The comfort.
La comodidad y la posición donde Dios mismo te ha puesto.
The comfort and the position where God Himself has placed you.
Yo aprendí a hacerlo así.
I learned how to do things exactly like that.
No tengo que cambiarlo.
I don't have to change it.
Nosotros decíamos mucho tiempo atrás cuando predicábamos,
We would say a long time before when we would preach,
si se murió el caballo,
if the horse has perished,
desmóntate.
unwind the horse. I don't know.
Sal,
off the horse.
get off the horse.
Get off the saddle.
Porque se murió ya.
Because it's dead. It's
Y tú
perished.
sigues corriendo una unción y un aceite viejo.
And you continue to run on an old anointment, an old oil.
No hay que cambiarle el aceite al carro.
Don't you have to change the oil from the car for it
Porque
to
se
keep on
pone
running?
viejo y quemado.
Because it becomes burnt and old.
De la misma forma, el Señor quiere darte aceite y vino nuevo.
Just the same way, God wants to bless you with new wine and new oil.
Pero tú sigues en el mismo caballo.
But you continue wanting to ride and saddle the same horse.
Se muere el caballo
The horse perishes,
y tú sigues en el caballo.
and you continue to be riding the saddle.
Dios te da grama verde una vez.
God tells you,
Te da zacate verde.
He gives you greenery,
Y tú estás comiendo de ese pasto rico, verde, nuevo, fresco.
and you're eating from that greenery, that fresh grass.
Pero un día se acabó.
But one day it finished, it ends.
Pero tú te acomodaste en ese lugar.
But you became so comfortable in that place full of greenery,
Y el Señor te está diciendo es que tienes que moverte.
and the Lord is there giving you the sign of like it's done, you have to move,
Pero no te mueves.
and you don't want to move.
Estaba viendo un pequeño cortecito de Bill Johnson.
I was watching a little short of Bill Johnson,
Y en una parte él dijo,
and in one of the parts he said,
mi esposa a veces me decía, ¿quieres que te prepare algo en la cocina?
that his wife would ask him, "Do you want me to prepare something when I go to the kitchen?"
Y él como que decía, está bien, ok.
He would say, "Yeah, okay."
Él decía, yo le decía que sí,
And he would say, I would tell her, "Yeah, okay, yes."
pero yo no tenía suficiente hambre
But I was not really hungry enough,
como pararme de mi silla
so I would raise from my chair
e ir a la cocina y preparármelo yo mismo.
and go to the kitchen myself and prepare it myself.
no tenía suficiente
I
hambre
wasn't hungry enough.
para ir yo mismo a hacerlo.
So I would raise and go myself to just do it.
Por eso es necesario,
That is why it was needed and necessary
cuando tú le sirves al Señor,
that when you serve the Lord,
procurar tener mucha hambre.
that you procure to have enough hunger.
Porque si no tienes hambre por las cosas de Dios,
Because if you're not hungry enough for the things of the Lord
se
and
te
of
muere,
God,
se te muere el caballo,
the horse perishes,
se te acaba el pastito verde,
the greenery finishes, the
Y-
grass,
te quedas ahí.
and you just stay stuck.
La nube de Dios se movió
The cloud of the Lord to move forward
con su gloria
with its glory,
y tú te quedaste en el mismo sitio.
and you stayed stuck, stranded in the same
El
place.
Señor levantó al pueblo, lo sacó de Israel,
God raised his people and got him off of Israel.
of Egypt, de
Of
Egipto.
Egypt. You see who stays there?
Sí.
Oh, of Egypt. He's his error.
Lo sacó de Egipto
He took them out of Egypt,
y les dio en el desierto
and he gave them in the desert
una nube.
a cloud.
Una nube para que los cuidara del sol.
A cloud that would guard them and take care of them or from the sun.
Y si se movía la nube,
And if the cloud moved,
ellos se movían con la nube.
they had to move with the cloud.
Por la noche les daba una columna de fuego.
At night, he would give them a column of fire? Okay.
Para que vieran dónde estaban.
So they could see where they were.
Pero al otro día la nube se movía.
But the next day, the cloud would move.
Y te tienes que mover.
And you have to move.
¿Qué me mueve a mí en mi casa?
Who moves me in my home?
El hambre.
Hunger.
Porque si me estoy muriendo de hambre,
Because if I'm perishing from hunger,
tengo
starvation,
que trabajar.
I have to work.
Si no trabaja, dice la palabra del Señor,
If I don't work, says the word of the Lord,
no comes.
you don't eat.
¿Verdad, Juan?
You don't eat.
Cuando te da hambre
You have to eat, right?
y nadie está para preparártelo,
And no one is there to prepare it.
quizás el teléfono lo vas a levantar
Maybe the phone you're gonna raise.
a llamar, ¿cómo se llama el sitio de los pollos?
Pollo Regio.
A llamar a Pollo Regio
He's gonna call Pollo Regio,
o a montarse en su troca
or he's gonna get in his truck
para ir a Pollo Regio
to go to Pollo Regio
porque tenía hambre.
because he was hungry.
Hay algo que nos mueve.
But there's something that moves him, right?
¿Por qué yo me casé?
Why did I become married? Why did I get married?
Porque me movió el amor.
Because love moved me.
¿Ah? Algo me movió.
Something moved me.
¿Por qué yo vine a esta tierra?
Why did I come to this earth?
¿Por qué salí de mi amada madre?
Why did I come out of my beloved mother?
Porque le movió el dolor.
Because the pain moved her.
Algo la movió.
Something moved her.
Y ahí fui yo.
And that was me.
Siempre algo nos mueve.
Something always moves us.
Pero te puede detener otra cosa.
But something else could stop you.
Y es la comodidad.
And it's comfort.
Y esa comodidad
That comfort
puede ser tu peor enemigo.
can be your worst enemy.
Nehemías y la reina Esther
Nehemiah and Queen Esther,
entendieron claramente
they understood clearly
que se tenían que mover.
that they had to move.
Porque si Nehemías no se movía,
Because if Nehemiah didn't move,
nunca hubieran levantado las murallas y las puertas.
he would never have raised the gates and the walls.
Cuando trataron de atemorizarle,
When they tried to frighten him,
ellos solamente escucharon a Dios
they were just listening to God.
y siguieron haciendo lo que tenían que hacer.
And they continued to do and accomplish what they had to do.
Y Dios les dio los materiales a través del rey.
And God provided the materials through the king.
Las cartas que necesitaban para comprar las cosas.
The letters that were required to purchase the items.
Cuando Esther se movió a ir delante del rey,
When Esther moved to go before the king,
desde su lugar, su aposento,
from her place, from her dormitory,
hasta el lugar donde estaba el rey,
onto the place where the king was sitting,
de lo que ella caminó hacia el rey,
from where she walked all the way to the king,
de lo que Nehemías caminó con el vino hacia el rey,
from where Nehemiah also walked towards the king with a wine.
lo estaban moviendo algo bien fuerte en su espíritu.
I want to come to say that something within their spirit so strong was making the move.
Pero en el proceso del caminar de un punto al otro,
But in the process from moving from one end to the other,
quizás decían, hoy puedo morir.
they were probably questioning themselves and saying to themselves, today I may die.
Otra cosa que puede ser un enemigo fuerte de nosotros
Another thing that can be an enemy of ours
es cuando otro está haciendo el trabajo por mí.
is when someone else is doing my work.
Tranquilo, el pastor se prepara.
Just be ready. The pastor will be ready for it. Don't worry about it.
No te preocupes, el pastor nos va a dar la palabra.
Don't worry. The pastor will just give us the word and the answer.
Cuando mis dos hijos eran bebés,
When my two children were young and babies,
nosotros les dábamos la comida.
we would feed them.
Cuando eran recién nacidos,
When they were just newborns,
yo traía el bebé,
I would bring the baby.
se lo daba a Michelle
I would give the baby to Michelle,
y ella hacía lo que yo no puedo hacer.
and she would do what I'm unable to do.
Cuando crecieron un poquito más,
When they grew a bit more,
entonces entre los dos a veces les dábamos la comida en la boca al bebé.
we would feed the baby and give the food in the mouth to the baby.
Y cuando crecían un poco más,
And when they grew a bit more,
ya sabían agarrar la cuchara y el tenedor.
they were able to feed themselves, grabbing the spoon, the fork.
Le llevábamos la comida a la mesa
We would take the food to the table.
y ellos ya sabían llevársela a la boca.
They had the knowledge now to put it to their mouths and feed.
Y más adelante, ya cuando crecieron a ser jóvenes adultos,
And when you move a bit forward into the future and they became adults,
prepárate la comida porque si no te mueres de hambre.
they had to prepare their own food because if not, they would die of starvation.
¿Cierto?
Isn't
Ya
that
tú te
true?
mudaste.
That you already moved out.
Así que papá y mamá no están allí.
So mom and dad are not there.
Otro no te sirve.
Others are not serving you.
Pero en la iglesia y en el mundo espiritual,
But in the spiritual world and within the church,
hay a veces personas que se sientan bien cómodas
there's people that are just very comfortable.
y dicen, el pastor ya lo tiene.
And they say, the pastor already has it done. He
Él
has
me va a
it
dar
all.
la palabra.
He's just going to feed me
No.
the word.
El pastor tiene la alabanza, él va a traer la música.
The pastor has the music. He already has the worship.
Y antes el pastor pintaba la casa, predicaba, recortaba el césped.
And before the pastor would paint the house, would cut the grass, and do all the chores.
Eso es un enemigo
That is an enemy right there.
de que tú crezcas.
And it's the enemy preventing you from growth.
¿Cómo se dice? Si tú le das pescado a una persona, puede comer, ¿verdad?
So it's how it is said, if you give fish to someone that is in hunger, they can feed themselves, correct?
Pero si le enseñas a pescar, siempre va a tener comida.
But if you're able to teach them how to fish, they will be able to feed themselves.
Y eso es lo que nosotros como pastores hacemos.
And that is what we do as pastors. That is our work.
Porque hay un trabajo de cuerpo.
Because there is a labor with the body.
Pero hay una parte donde cada uno independientemente
But there is a part that each and every one independently
crece con el Señor.
grows with the Lord.
Y ya como tú creces con el Señor,
And as you grow and evolve with the Lord,
como Yolanda, el Señor le dio un salmo.
like just as Jolanda was given the psalm,
Como en esta semana nos han llamado varias personas con niños y adultos que están teniendo sueños.
and how people have been calling us all this week with their children and them themselves having dreams.
Sueños que nos hablan a nosotros los pastores.
Dreams that they speak to us as pastors.
Sueños que nos confirman a nosotros los pastores.
Dreams that confirm to us as pastors.
Porque Dios dio sueños y visiones.
Why did God give dreams and visions?
Ahí es donde la persona individualmente está buscando de Dios.
That is where we know that that people individually are seeking from the Lord.
Y eso edifica el cuerpo.
And that edifies the body.
Lo que la reina estaba haciendo o Nehemías estaba haciendo.
It's just as Queen Esther and Nehemiah were doing.
Ellos estaban haciendo algo independientemente por su posición,
They were doing something independently, taking advantage of their position.
pero iba a edificar el resto del pueblo.
And it was just for the purpose to edify the people, to help the people.
Iba a levantar nuevamente el pueblo de Dios.
It was going to be able to raise the people that was the people of God.
Cuando la reina se acercó al rey,
When Queen Esther approached the king,
el rey escuchó.
king listened.
Y todo lo que ella planificó y recibió de parte de Dios
And all that she had planned and received from the Lord
funcionó.
worked.
Mardoqueo, Mardoqueo, wow, how do you say he's her uncle? Mardoqueo.
Mordecai.
Él hizo una parte bien importante
He accomplished a very important part,
y era poner a Esther en el lugar que la puso.
was to place Esther just right where she belonged,
Escuchar la voz de Dios.
to listen to the word of God.
Aún
The voice of God.
cuando lo trataron de matar a él,
Even when they tried to kill him,
él le habló a la reina
he spoke to the queen.
y le dijo, Dios te puso ahí por un propósito.
God placed you right there for a purpose.
Él hizo su parte.
He accomplished his part. He did his part.
Ya el rey había dado una orden de ir a eliminar el pueblo hebreo.
The king already had sent his ruling and said to go eliminate the Hebrews, to go destroy the town.
Pero cuando la reina Esther
But when Queen Esther
habló al rey
spoke to the king
y le explicó la trama que había para matar a su pueblo,
and was able to explain all the plans that were to kill the Hebrews,
como ya la orden había sido dada,
since the order was already ready for execution,
el rey le envió armas al pueblo de Dios
the king sent weapons to the people of God.
y les dijo, si alguien se atreve a levantarse en contra de ustedes, ustedes se defienden.
And he was able to tell them, if someone raises against you, you will rise against them and be able to defend yourselves.
Y se salvaron.
And they saved them, and
No,
they were saved.
no solamente se salvaron, sino que Mardoqueo Dios lo puso en gracia.
Not only were they saved, but Mordecai also was placed in God's grace.
Si Mardoqueo no hubiera tenido hambre por hacer la voluntad de Dios,
If Mordecai hadn't had the appetite to have the things and the works of the Lord within him,
se hubiera quedado cómodo donde estaba.
he would just have sat comfortably from his position.
Pero
of
no fue
power.
así.
But he didn't.
Él se movió.
He moved.
Los soldados se preparan.
Soldiers prepare themselves.
Los atletas se esfuerzan.
Athletes place effort.
Los hijos de Dios también se esfuerzan.
The children of God also have to.
El soldado quiere poder ir contra su enemigo y vencer.
The soldier, his purpose is to want to rise against his enemy and defeat the enemy
Y proteger su lugar.
and protect his spot, protect his place.
El atleta lucha por esa medalla.
The athlete fights for that medal.
El atleta se prepara por años para poder llegar al primer lugar.
The athlete prepares themselves for years to be able to reach the first place.
Eso es tener hambre.
That is to have an appetite.
Un hambre por victoria.
An appetite for victory, a hunger for victory.
El que no tiene hambre por la victoria
The ones that do not crave victory,
se llamará el derrotado.
they will call themselves defeated.
O no solamente el derrotado,
Not only the defeated,
sino el cobarde,
but the coward,
sino el que nunca se levantó,
the one that never rised,
sino el que dejó y permitió que la mentira
and
lo sentara y lo acomodara.
also will be known as the one that allowed the lies to just let him sit and keep him still.
El que dijo, otro lo hace por mí.
The one that was able to sit and just say to himself, another one will do the work for me.
El pastor lo hace.
The pastor will do it.
Que él se prepare.
Let him prepare himself.
La pastora lo hace.
Pastor Michelle will do it.
Si ella no me llama, yo no lo hago.
If she doesn't call me, then I will not do it.
Pues llámala a ella.
So then the phone works both ways. Call her.
Nosotros siempre escuchamos, ¿verdad que sí?
We always are ready to listen, correct?
Nosotros siempre les decimos oren.
We always, as pastors, tell you to
Pero
pray,
tienes que tener hambre para orar.
but we want you to have the appetite to pray.
Tienes que tener esa hambre para buscar de Dios.
You have to have that craving and that necessity to look and search for the Lord.
¿Qué es lo que importa aquí?
That is what exactly matters at this time and here.
Si tú amas la casa de Dios,
If you love the house of the Lord,
si tú amas su presencia,
if you love God's presence,
tú vas a hacer lo que sea necesario
you will do everything that is within your power and needed
para mantenerte ahí,
to remain there
en esa presencia.
in that presence.
Porque a veces cometemos un grave error.
Because sometimes we fall in grave error.
Y es que culpamos a todo el mundo de todas las situaciones que me pasan a mí.
Is that we are able to blame everyone and everything around us of
Oye,
all the situations that occur to us.
Eso es un espíritu que rondea en los últimos años.
I want you to see that that is a bad, evil-doing spirit that surrounds us for the last years.
Hoy en día, cuando tú ves esta generación, le echan la culpa a todo el mundo de lo que les pasa.
Nowadays, if you observe this current generation, they just are blaming everything around them, that they're to blame for everything that's occurring to them at this moment.
Y no se dan cuenta que la decisión que tú tomaste ayer,
And they do not become aware that the decisions that you took yesterday,
eres quien eres hoy.
that impacts who you are today.
Si hoy no tienes comida,
If you don't have any food today,
especialmente en esta nación,
especially within this
es
nation,
porque no solicitaste trabajar quizás en Walmart.
it's because maybe you solicitaste trabajar en Walmart. It's because maybe you weren't solicited to work at Walmart, or you were solicited to work.
No,
at
no lo
Walmart.
hiciste, no lo hiciste.
Oh, that you didn't solicit to work at Walmart.
O no le preguntaste al vecino, ¿le recorto el césped?
It is that you didn't seek for work and you didn't even ask the neighbors if you could cut their grass.
Hay algo que hacer para que puedas comer.
There has to be an activity or something that you can do to get your food, so you are able to eat.
Y si buscas de Dios, yo puedo estar seguro que el Señor te va a proveer.
And I assure you that if you were one to seek from the Lord, He would provide for you.
Yo traigo estas dos historias de la palabra.
I have these two stories that come from within the Word,
Y hay muchas otras
and there are several more
de siervos y siervas de Dios
from servants and female servants of the Lord,
de hombres y mujeres
from men and women
que decidieron servir al Señor aunque sus vidas estaban en peligro.
that decided to serve the Lord even though their lives were at risk,
Y no temieron
and they were not fearful
por amor a Dios,
for the love to God,
por el hambre que tenían de la presencia de Dios.
for the appetite and the craving they had for the presence of the Lord.
Ahora,
Now,
¿qué es lo que más le importa a Dios de todo eso?
what is it that matters mostly to God at this moment and from this?
Es que estabas sentado y decidiste pararte a ir a la cocina, ir al otro punto para prepararte una comida.
Was it the fact that you were just sitting there and then suddenly decided to rise from where you were sitting and decided to move forward to prepare something to eat?
A Dios le importa eso.
For God that matters.
Pero tú sabes que a Dios le importa más
But do you know what matters more to God than that?
el proceso del punto A al punto B.
The process that occurred from you moving from point A and getting to point B.
Si tienes hambre por algo,
If you have appetite for something,
te levantas
you rise.
y dices, yo necesito llegar a aquel punto.
And you say to yourself, I need to get to point B. I need to get over there.
Pero de la A a la B
But from A to B,
o de la A a la Z,
or from A to Z,
hay un montón de letras que hay que pasar.
there are several steps and letters that you have to go through to get to Z.
Por eso te dije que cuando somos pequeños,
And that is why I told you that when we were young and little,
hay procesos para que el niño aprenda y vaya comiendo.
we compare it to the process of when the newborn learns how to feed as he grows.
Hasta que aprende a trabajar,
Until he's
cocinar.
able to work, cook for themselves.
pero ese proceso
And that process,
él aprendió.
he was able to learn and become sufficient.
El proceso de Nehemías
The process of Nehemiah
no fue fácil.
was not easy.
Su vida estuvo en peligro muchas veces.
His life was at risk several times.
Lean la historia.
Read the story,
El proceso de Esther
the process of Esther
y todas las personas a su alrededor
and all the people around her.
no fue fácil.
It wasn't easy,
Pero ese proceso los llevó a una victoria.
but that process led them to a victory.
Mardoqueo le prepararon una horca para matarlo.
Mordecai was prepared
Alguien
to
le-
be taken to be hung.
Alguien le preparó una horca para matarlo.
Someone was ready to hang him, to kill him.
Pero la palabra de Dios te dice
But the word of the Lord says
que en el mismo hoyo que cavaren en tu contra,
that the same hole or the same grave that is dug to put you in,
ahí el que lo hizo,
the one that dug the grave,
ahí va a caer.
he will fall into that grave.
Cuando le hicieron la horca a Mardoqueo,
When they were gonna hang Mordecai,
el que le hizo la horca,
the one that tied the lasso to hang him,
el que mandó a que prepararan todo eso,
the one that arranged for him to be hung,
lo guindaron a él,
he was hung himself.
lo mataron ahí.
He was killed with the same lasso, the same rope.
En ese proceso de la A a la Z,
From that process that you compare from going from A to Z,
habrá muchos que van a querer hacerte el hoyo,
there will be several people when you're going through the steps that will dig a grave.
pero ellos mismos, si tú confías, van a caer ahí.
But if you trust within the process, they will fall within that grave themselves.
Si te persiguen porque tú amas a Dios,
If you're chased because you love the Lord and God,
o se convierten y se arrepienten,
or either they change their way of thinking and repent,
o ellos van a caer en lo que ellos mismos están haciendo.
or they will fall with whatever grave they have dug.
Dios no llevó a su pueblo de Egipto a la tierra que fluye leche y miel
God did not take his people from Egypt to the land of milk and honey
sin pasarlos por un proceso.
without having them go through a process.
Ese proceso fue el que los hizo
That process was what built them
como soldados,
as soldiers,
como familias más fuertes.
as strong families.
Los débiles se quedaron atrás.
The weak remain and stay behind.
Y cuando digo débiles, hablo de personas que no quisieron oír a Dios.
And when I speak of people that are weak, I'm speaking of people that decided not to hear the word of the Lord.
Siempre va a haber alguien que te va a decir algo.
There's always someone that has something to say and they will tell you that.
¿Cuántos espías mandaron a ver la tierra que fluye leche y miel? ¿Cuántos espías?
How many spies were
Huh?
sent to see the land that had milk and honey? How
10,
many
¿verdad?
spies were sent out?
Todos vieron lo mismo.
Everyone was able to witness the same.
Todos vieron lo mismo.
Everyone was able to witness the same.
Pero solo dos
Only two
lo vieron a través de los ojos de Dios.
were able to see it through the eyes of the Lord.
Los otros trajeron el mismo mensaje.
The rest of the spies were able to bring the same message.
Si tú vienes donde mí
If you come before me
y me dices,
and you tell me,
ay, tengo una deuda de $60,000 que yo no sé cómo la voy a pagar.
if you come before me and talk about a debt and your debt reaches close to $60,000 and then you tell me I can't pay
Es
for it,
tan grande que esto me va a consumir.
it's so big that it's just going to consume me.
Y otra persona ve y dice $60,000.
And maybe someone else sees it from a different point of view and just says $60,000.
Tranquilo, eso se paga.
They remain calm and they just say, remain peaceful. That will just pay itself.
La misma cantidad,
The same quantity.
dos personas diferentes viéndolas.
Two people see it from a different perspective.
Los espías vieron la tierra
Just like that, the spies were able to see the land of milk and honey with a different perspective.
Unos dijeron, allá hay hombres grandes y fuertes, nos van a comer como pan caliente.
And that's where they would say, over there, there's men that are so big that they will just defeat you just like hot bread.
Y los otros dos dijeron, no, nosotros no los vamos a comer a ellos como pan caliente.
And the other two came saying very different. We are so strong that we're just going to defeat them like if we are the hot bread.
No, like they are the-
Like they are the hot bread, the melting bread.
O sea, 8 lo vieron como que, uy, qué miedo.
So if you think about it, 8 were scared,
Y los otros 2 lo vieron con braveza, como si el Señor ya me lo dio, me lo entregó.
and the other 2 were able to see it bravely and say, like, the Lord has surrendered them to us. We're good.
O sea que
We want this.
el proceso de cada uno
So if you think about it, the process of each of these folks,
es dependiendo de la hambre que tú tienes.
it was dependent and contingent of the appetite and the hunger they had.
Si tu hambre dice, Dios está conmigo,
If your appetite is calling and saying, God is with me,
el Señor me va a ayudar,
God is going to help me,
no temo,
I'm not fearful,
yo voy hacia allá.
I'm going to go that way.
Si tú dices, yo estoy muy cómodo aquí,
And if you tell yourself in a different perspective, I'm just going to sit here, I'm very comfortable,
y quizás otro que vaya y los derrote en otro tiempo.
and maybe let someone else go defeat them, and I will go defeat them next on another time.
Esos no entraron a la tierra.
They did not, those people just like that, they did not make it to the promised land.
Solo Josué y Caleb
Only Joseph and Caleb
fueron los que entraron.
were the ones that made it in,
Porque desde el principio creyeron.
because from the beginning they believed.
Así que vamos a hacer.
So let's get to doing and acting.
¿No? ¿Qué vamos a hacer?
What are we going to do?
¿Qué vamos a hacer?
What are we going to do?
Nos vamos a mantener con suficiente hambre como para seguir adelante,
Are we going to keep ourselves with enough appetite to move forward?
o nos vamos a sentar cómodos a permitir que otro lo haga por ti.
Or are we going to sit comfortably and allow someone else to do the work for you?
Vamos a ponernos de pie, por favor.
Let's rise, brothers and sisters. Let's stand.
Que sea Dios,
Let God
por medio de su Espíritu,
be through His Spirit,
poniendo en nosotros
placing within us
el querer,
the want,
el deseo,
the desire,
el hacer las cosas
the wanting to do things, accomplish things
de acuerdo a su voluntad.
according to His will,
Pero que Él ponga ese deseo en nuestro corazón.
but that He places that desire and that craving within our heart,
Un ardor en nuestro espíritu
a burning within our spirit,
para decir,
so we can say,
quizás el proceso va a ser difícil,
maybe the process is going to be hard,
pero yo creo
but I believe
que puedo llegar
that I can achieve it and I can get there,
porque Dios va a estar conmigo.
because God will be right with me.
Le buscaré
I will seek Him
y le hallaré
and I will find Him
en el nombre de Jesús.
in the name of Jesus Christ.
Amén.
Amen.
Gloria a Dios. Dale un
Glory to
aplauso al
God.
Rey.
Let's give a clap to a hand to the Lord.